Today is March 2nd, 2026. I am on the roof of the Zammit family in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to be doing a repairability assessment on the shingle that is marked in X. I have the surrounding shingles that could be potentially affected in the removal, numbered starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All of those shingles in some sort of way lock into the shingle marked with X. The tools I'll be using is a roofing snake, soft nose putty knife, a flat bar magnetic roofing hammer, 1.25" per code roofing nails. What I want to do first is get you guys set up so you guys can view the work that takes place. I think that should give everybody an appropriate angle. Now what I want to do is take a look at the shingle that we have here. This shingle is a dimensional shingle. It's been flopping around in the wind. It starts right here and it ends right here. I need to make sure that it is 100% removed from any material that binds it to the books beneath it. And we're good. Now I need to do the same things for books 5 and books 6. We'll start over here on one end. Just work our way slowly across. Alright, I believe that we have that fully separated. Now what I'm going to do is remove the shingle from the decking. Start in the nail strip, just work our way across. I'm going to work to get it free from the fasteners that hold it into the back. What I want to do now is separate these books, books 8 and 7, so that I can remove the fasteners that hold the top end of our book in. When needed, I'll remove those. Alright, we have our shingle book removed. Now I'm going to do an investigation of the underlayment. Actually need to get, oh, that's not good. Oh, that's why this system is on 2 layers of shingles. Let me see if I can get this in the video. What's going on here? So if we lift up this book, we can see that it's on a double layer of shingles. And because it's on a double layer of shingles, these teeth have now become delaminated. Because of the teeth being delaminated, we see that this book is now falling apart. See that right there? That's separation in the book. We see it on both shingles 5 and 6. These books have become separated from the material that holds them underneath the shingle book above them. That is not good. See if I can get you guys set back up. Get the camera set up correctly. What's going on here? Sorry, my tripod's not wanting to work with us today. There we go. Hopefully this gives everybody a good viewpoint. All right, well, we know that we've experienced damage to shingle books 5 and 6. I can see that this tooth is delaminated. This tooth is delaminated. This one is delaminated. This one is delaminated. And the corner of this one is delaminated we have all the teeth delaminating on the books above them, which is creating separation of the bottom portion of this book. The teeth hold on to the bottom portion, and when the teeth become delaminated, the book disassembles into two parts. You can probably see that here on this shingle here. See how they separate into two pieces? That's what's occurring here, and that's most likely occurring because of the double layer. We know that there's at least one layer of extra shingles on here. There could be more, but that's a big time problem in repairability. Now I'm going to go ahead and line this book back up where it was. I'm going to continue forward and try to complete the repair. I do have the shingle book back in place. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 1¼ per code roofing nails and the recommended roofing snake. The reason why we use the roofing snake is so we don't have to lift books 5 and 6 more than necessary to get an appropriate nail strike. Ooh, we see the book is separated over here as well. That's not good. Let's go ahead. Let's start right here. Make sure that we're straight in the nail strip. That's one. Now we'll go over here to 2. That's number 2. We'll go all the way over here under book 6 to the very end. Make sure that we're in the nail strip and straight. See a small indentation there from the roofing snake. That's pretty common, but those indentations, those fractures, they fracture the fiberglass, and those lead to bigger problems in the future. Now I'm going to do an assessment on exactly what's transpired. We look at book 2, it's in pretty good shape. Book 1 has experienced no problems. We look at our original shingle book, and we look at book 3. Book 3 seems to be okay as well. Book 4 is okay. However, book 5, this is a delaminated shingle. About 70% of it has become delaminated. This is a fully delaminated shingle. This shingle is fully delaminated all the way up to the section that holds the books together. So deeming this book defective, needs to be replaced. And this one fully delaminated all the way up to the connection, deeming this one damaged and needs to be replaced. Because of the double layer, I would suspect that if I was to replace these two, this would continue up the ridge and we would have to repair this whole slope, deeming this roof irreparable.